Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today I have come with this video. The problem is two views are given here. This is front view and this is side view. And we have to create a third view. This is a problem. So uh, in this particular problem, the size, all everything is given here. This size is given. This 56, 55 is this length of the component, and height is 45 and width is 45. So 45 by 45 into length is 56. This block size is given here. So and in this one step is there, this clear cut, this step is cut here like this. And in this view, if you see, this taper is there, the front view, and this is side view. So because this is a first angle projection, in first angle projection, if you look from right side, and you will make it in the left side, this view. If you look at this side, you will see that this is a step of 20 mm deep. This step is of this shape, okay? And then this portion, from this is straight line here, from this line, this step is, this is like here given 25 mm, the width of the step. So we can also make an isometric view with the help of these two views. So how we can do it? See, if uh, okay, so how to create this view is create a vertical line first of all, like this. This is a line, okay. Then you have to create this view. In this side, we will create the view like this. If I create this view this way, if I draw a line here, say this is our step, and I draw a line like this. This is a rough sketch basically. I draw a line like this, and this is the shape I am making, like this shape, okay. And then I have to make this shape this side like this. Here if you make the shape like this, and this here like this, and this is your taper and all that. This is a straight portion, and if draw line like this, this is our taper. I created this side and this side, okay. Now if you see here, this depth is 25 mm. If I draw it like this, say this depth is 25 mm. If I draw lines like this here, this way, if I draw this vertical line here, and then there is a step like this, rectangle this way, I draw a line here like this, and then I draw this vertical line, and then this line. So this shape I have created. And similarly, if I see here, so this depth is basically 20 mm. So for this 20 mm depth, if I draw this line 20 mm for this depth, this like this is the depth, and like this I will make a step here, and this is the vertical line, say. and this is the line I have drawn here also, like this. And now if I draw a line like this, and then from here I draw a line like this. So this way I have created an isometric view. This is your isometric view. If you look from this side, say if you look from this side, this view is very clear. A step is there, and this bottom line, this is there, and this taper is there, and this view is very clear like this here. And if you see from this side, then this steps is there, this step is there, and this is also, and so you have created this. Both views are very clear with this isometric view. It's okay, both views are solved. So then how to make the third view? So third view is, if you look from the top, then this will be this shape. If you make the shape like this here, this is the shape here, like this, then here this is the shape, okay, this will be the shape here, and this step is there, so one more step, you make it like this, this is the step, okay, and then on the top there is this taper is there, so one more step is there like this, one more step is there. So this way, this is the top view. In the top view, here if you see this shape, then this step is there, and then this taper is there. So by adding these two things, you will get this top view. This is very clear. Okay. But if you want to make this like this also, you can make it. These two views are given here. This is front view, this is side view. Then you draw the projection lines like this. This is the width 45 degree, sorry 45 distance. So these vertical lines are there, and then horizontal also 45, because this height is also 45 and this width is also 45. So you make it like this, and then draw an angle of at an angle 45 degree, this line. So and then this line, you extend this line like this, you draw these two lines, and if you see from the vertical, so this line is projected like this point is projected here, this point is also projected here. So this way you can draw these views. So this is the line, then again these are the lines, okay, and if you see here, if you see from this isometric view also, you can make it like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Meet you soon in next video. Thank you.